How's it going, guys? We're back with another Campfire cooking collaboration. This time it's the breakfast edition. Same rules apply as last time. Cook your food over the fire, and that's about it. And we're going to share everyone's pages. We got a larger group this time. Last time we had 5. This time we have 7. The participating group is Our World Outdoors, Hawkeye Hikes, Knights of the Trail, Time Out to the Trail, Southwest Ohio Adventures, It's Good in the Woods, and myself, Jason Outdoors. Now, just like last time, I've gotten a little bit of a sneak peek of what some of the people are doing, and I'm actually pretty excited for this. They've got some pretty good looking stuff. Like I said before, this is the breakfast edition. So let me bring you down to the counter here and let me show you what I'm going to make. All right, for mine, what I'm doing is I'm going to make a loaded breakfast sandwich. What that's going to entail is we're going to do some eggs. We've got sausage, some nice thick cut bacon, cheddar cheese. I might add some mozzarella to that also. And we've got some hash browns. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook all that on the fire, and we're going to finish it off in the pie iron. Alright, I've got some prep work to do, and I got to get the fire ready, and we'll take you outside and let's get started. Alright, start with the bacon here. So what I'm doing here is I'm starting out with the bacon, and I'm going to slice up the bacon into smaller pieces so I can fry this up, and this is what's going to go inside the sandwich. I'm also going to fry up some full-size pieces, that way we can have it on a separate plate to go with everything else, because I'm going to make a large quantity of everything. For my eggs, I'm simply going with, I just took 5 eggs, add a little salt and pepper, and we're going to scramble those up. Well, that part's all done. I'll also put the brown and serves in here real quick. You just got to get warmed up. They don't have to fully cook. Pan's warmed up. We can put our eggs in. Now we can do our Alright, now we can do our hash browns. Okay, got the pie irons all nice and hot. Let's go ahead and get to building this. Very nice. start with some cheese, put in a little bit of egg, a couple sausage pieces, and some bacon. I'm going to go with a little mozzarella in the middle. Add some of our hash browns. Top that off with a little bit more cheddar. Peel off this excess crust. Let's put it by the coals. Put this right on the coals. We'll do a couple minutes per side. Yeah, it looked like it turned out pretty good. Let's take it over to the table. There we go. That looks like it turned out really well. Okay, I think that turned out overall pretty good. Let's do the taste test. We'll see how it turned out. Let's start with the bacon here. Could be a little more done, but that still turned out all right. Now we'll do one of the sausage links. All right. Now we'll go for some of the eggs. Pretty close. I think it could have been just another few seconds. All right, time for the hash browns. Just a touch. Could have been just a touch more, but I always have trouble with potatoes on a fire. They just take so darn long. All right. Now the one we've been waiting for. The loaded breakfast sandwich. So again, this is scrambled eggs, cheese, sausage, bacon, and hash browns on toast. Let's see how this turned out. Absolutely. Could have been a little bit more on the bottom side here, but this one decided turned out pretty good. So let me do one more bite quick. Perfect. So I gotta eat in front of you. It's all part of the game here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Hopefully this gave you some ideas on something you can do over the campfire. And make sure you tune into everybody else's video. Everyone worked hard on this. It was a fun project. I was glad to be a part of it. Down in the description box, I'm going to leave a link to everyone's channel. Like I said, make sure you go check those guys out. Like and subscribe them if you haven't to. If you're not already a subscriber of mine, I'd love to have you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, next to that, make sure you click the bell icon. That way you're notified of any future videos that you get. And as always, I want to thank you guys for watching.